I can't believe I got 50 of them. That's sort of impressive, considering. I had 10 seconds left. That was really easy, actually. What's the next one? How long do I have to do it in? 4:45! Oh, bloody hell, the next one's long. That'll be done in a different part, I assume, because of the fact that I only have 10 minutes left on my camera. Eee. There's no chance. Oh, actually, yeah, I think I remember this level. Oh, God, yeah, it's Metropolis. Or whatever it's called. Yeah.
Episode 4. Deja Q. All over again. After defeating Dr. Nefarious on planet Magmos, Quark returned to his condo in Metropolis for some well-earned R&R.
Oh, Lance, it's time you knew the truth. The baby isn't yours.
What? Who is the father?
Oh, your evil twin brother, Engelbert.
But Janice, I am Engelbert. Ooh, must be that pizza I ordered.
Guten Tag, Captain Flabby.
Helga, what are you doing here?
Getting you off your lazy butt. You have plumped up like a giant green breakfast. It is time for the fitness course.
Oh, all right. Meanwhile, on a rooftop high above the bustling streets of Metropolis.
The hour of my vengeance is at hand. Go now, my robotic servants. Tear this city apart. Bring me the head of Captain Quark.
Nefarious is the most badass villain ever. I love him. It's like a god. I think there's something in the back. No, there isn't. They should have done that, because that's a pretty well-hidden secret. Or, correction, would have been a really well-hidden secret. But yeah, this level's quite good. I quite like this one. Now, if I remember correctly, I think I remember where the green health is. I think I do. But I might be wrong. Whoa, that was bad. Whoa! It classed me as being dead before I'd even died. That was a bit mean. Yeah, that was a tad mean. Classed me as being dead before I was dead. Just like reading someone's name in the obituaries. Omega Ruffle. Ah, that was close. Ah, I'm cutting it way too close now. Whoa, okay. This one's going to be hard to do as a speed run. It's very easy to die. I remember how long it is now, actually. It's quite a long level.
A ladder. How do these things work again? Oh, I remember. Just press up or down.
Go down here. Yeah, down here. Oh, there you go. Knew there was a secret down there. So there's going to be a bunch of fireflies, so I think we have to fight. Don't quote me on that, because I can't remember. I can't remember if we actually have to fight them. There we go. Yes! Oh, there's one up there. That's actually quite cleverly hidden with the light. It's not as easy as you think. Well, I've already got 46, so it can't be that long of a level. I've already got 46 already. So about halfway through, and I'm about half the speed it asked me to do, and I've already died as well. It can't be that hard. These are the footballs. These look like footballs to me, for some reason. These remind me of footballs. Die. Now, if I remember correctly, there's a really annoying set of things, whatever they're called. keep fork tokens. There's a really annoying amount. There's a really annoying section for them. I believe it's up there. Yeah. Because of that. Just, it automatically does that stick thing where it just automatically assumes you want it and bounces you off. It assumes that's what you want. It's very irritating. Okay, this one's also quite annoying. Fuck you! This one's really easy though. So don't worry, that one's really easy. I'm probably going to miss something though in my life. I don't think this one will be too hard. This one's even easier. I don't think this will be too hard at all. I think this will be really easy to get 100% on. Skill points, sorry. Not 100%. Skill point will be really easy on this one. You're going to die, obviously. So I've almost lost the time limit, but I know I'm near the end. I know I definitely am. I can't remember where the health thing is though. That's the one thing I can't remember right now. Oh, I know where it is. Yes, I do. I know where it is. I'm certain I know where it is. I'm absolutely certain I can tell you where it is. Blind leap from there. Yeah, knew it. It is there. It's a complete dick move is what it is. It's really hard to get that one. I don't think this one will be too hard to complete 100% with the skill point stuff, because the final boss is up here. Ow. Well, the boss bit is up here. Not the final boss. Obviously. It's not that hard to complete. I don't think. Here it is.
Yay! Dr. Nefarious!
Is that better or not? Let's make it. This is good though. If you have enough help to move, then do it. I'm dead, so I'm gonna have to be careful. I'm gonna be very careful.
It is on! Dr. Nefarious! It is I, Captain Clank!
If you have a trigger finger, this should be really easy. Well, I think I can do that, but I'll have to do it in the next box. We're running out of time. But I think it's very easily doable. I'm going to get a lot of bolts out of this, or maybe not, because I died a lot, so it's fairly slow. Yes, fairly, maybe not. Oh well, no matter.
Quark! I'll get you for this.
Sorry, what's that, Stumpy?
This isn't over, Quark. I swear, I will return someday to destroy you and bring Metropolis to its knees.
Just a word of advice, Nefarious. Quit while you're ahead. And so Quark believed that the threat posed to the galaxy had been ended forever. But seems the script is missing a few pages.
Thanks, Professor. I'll take it from here. And so ends the greatest tale of courage and heroism ever told. The true story of Captain Quark's triumph over the nefarious supervillain known as, Dr. Nefarious.
Aren't you going to unlock Quark's secret costume? Here, I'll use the cheat codes. Let's see. Up, up, down, down, left, right, circle, square, square. Even a TuTu.
Metropolis! That's where Nefarious is going to strike first.
Are you sure?
It makes perfect sense. Nefarious tried to destroy Metropolis years ago, but Quark stopped him. Nefarious swore he'd come back and finish the job someday. Now that he has a secret weapon, he's ready to make his move.
Set a course for Metropolis. Let's hope we're not too late.
Up, up, down, down, left, right, circle, square, square. Oh my god, TuTu!